What is going on, guys? George or Regen here. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about how many people in life will have to work twice as hard to get half as far. Now, me growing up, I never really had much education because I was always messing around in school. Always messing around in school. So I never really learned much. In grade 11 is when I started to actually sit down and try to do work. But because I never learned when I was younger, I had to pick up a lot more. And still to this day, even me trying to know English and stuff like that, it's very difficult. My grammar's horrible. I tend to have to work very, very hard just to get half as far. In school, I get very anxious, sometimes too when there's big groups of people. Sometimes I don't want to raise my hand. And that being said, it's very, very difficult for me. I want to graduate and I want to keep going, but it's very, very hard for me. And this isn't going to be the same situation for you guys, and everyone's going to have it a little bit differently, but I'm a true believer that you will have to work twice as hard to get half as far if you're not in the majority of people. I failed classes that many people never ever have because I just simply can't understand them. It takes me twice as long to wrap my head around things. Now, like I said, it's not only me that goes through this kind of stuff. There's going to be other people that go through this kind of stuff too. There was this example I'll never forget. There was this guy that came in and did a presentation in my high school. This guy is transgender and black. Both of those things he talks about. He goes, although people are trying to get rid of racism and sexism and making fun of transgender people, it'll never go away. And I kind of opened up my eyes. I was like, okay, I see where he's coming from. Then he said that I have to work twice as hard to get half as far, because when I apply for jobs, when I do all this kind of stuff, even in school, I can't make as many friends. I have to work twice as hard to get half as far. And it really opened up my eyes there. I was like, wow, such a simple thing that you're born with will make you have to work twice as hard to get half as far. Something that he can't even control. The transgender part was his choice, but being born that color wasn't. That being said, guys, it's very difficult if you have, say your thing is social anxiety. It's very difficult to make friends that way. And you're gonna have to work twice as hard to get half as far. You may not have as many friends. Or with YouTube, if you struggle with how to pick up an audience, you're gonna have to work twice as hard to get half as far. You're gonna have to educate yourself. I just wanna say, guys, that I never ever want any of you to give up on a task. Ever, okay? You guys will work, and if you are complaining about, oh my God, there's not enough time in a day, or oh my God, I'm working and then I get home and I'm tired. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson once said, if you work 8 to 10 hours a day for a company and go home and don't focus on your own goals, you're not tired, you're uninspired. You are not tired, you are uninspired. Never forget that, guys. If you are truly inspired, no matter how hard you have to work, you will do that. You will do exactly what you have to do to succeed. And for some people, maybe a month. For some people, maybe 10, 20 years. Whatever it is, guys, you will grind. You will be in love with the process. Never, ever hate the process. If you hate the process, you're doomed. Now, guys, I'm going to be wrapping up this video. I just made this quickly while walking, and I wanted to say, never give up on your dreams. And I don't care if you have to work 3 times as hard to get a quarter of the way to your destination. Do it. If you truly love the process, do it. Much love, guys. This is Regen or George signing out. Peace. Also, one thing before I go, guys, I just want to quickly add, if you guys haven't already, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I want to say thank you so much for all the love on YouTube. I personally, talking about giving up, I've thought about giving up many times in school and YouTube. This is my 3rd time. I'm writing exams right now. This is my 3rd time thinking about dropping out. I've dropped out once, went back, and then thought about dropping off, took some time off. Now I'm considering it again. But I'm telling myself that I'm going to do it for me. No matter how long it takes. I am taking 3 years. I'm going to take 3 years to finish a 2-year business course because I'm not educated enough. And the grading system is saying that I'm not good enough. But I'm gonna get it done. Same thing with YouTube. This is my 4th or 5th YouTube channel. I've given up too many times, guys. And this is the time I'm gonna sit everything, just look myself in the mirror, sit everything on my plate and say, I'm gonna get it done. And I want you guys to do the same. Please. Don't do the mistakes that I made. Save your time. Have a great day, guys.